You need to buy the crypto now. Do not have time to waste. If you make money now inside the real world and invest correctly, any one of you can be retired from ever working a matrix job in 3 years from now, guaranteed. You must escape the work, consume, die cycle. You must escape the matrix we are trying to show you.
Andrew Tate believes that right now is the time to invest in crypto, and we agree with most of what he had to say in the clip we're about to watch, but there are a few very important things that he left out. So let's go ahead and watch this clip of Andrew Tate and also which specific cryptocurrencies he's investing in.
How do you feel about crypto in this current time? Because how many millions have you made from crypto? If I tell you, because I've made money certainly in the golden age of crypto, or the silver age or the bronze age, certainly. But I think now we're in the stone age. So you asking that question, I don't want to inspire anybody right now to think that you're going to get into crypto and make millions and millions of dollars.
But you are, but not quickly. Here's the good point.
Yes. When
crypto's going up and crypto's reaching all-time highs, everyone's panicking, trying to get hold of money to buy crypto. Too late. You need to buy the crypto now. Now that the prices have tanked, so that when the next bull run comes in 2 to 3 years, people are saying it's going to be soon. That's all code. These are people who are trying to make fast money because they don't have any business sense. That's all garbage and code. The real money is going to come in 2 or 3 years. Now is when you need to be panicking for money. Not when crypto was spiking and everyone was talking about it and every dummy was making money. Then it's too late. You need to be panicked now, make money now, stack your bags now. Stick to the basics. Ethereum, Bitcoin. The coins are not going to go anywhere. You should be panicked now to buy as much Bitcoin ETH as possible, so in 3 years you can guaranteed retire from life forever. You were panicking more to make money to buy crypto when crypto is reaching all-time highs than you are now when it's on sale. Think about how stupid that is. It's the same coins, the same infrastructure, the same ideals, the same technology. You need to buy now. So now is more important than ever for you to make money. Don't worry about crypto all-time highs and all that kind of crap. You need to make a bunch of money now, urgently, quickly, and start stacking a bag so when the all-time highs come again, you can sell out $25 million. Any one of you can be retired from ever working a matrix job in 3 years from now.
Now, in order to escape the matrix, you can learn how to make the most out of the opportunity that is today's crypto market. Even if you are a complete beginner, our friend Dirk De Bruin is founder of Intelligent Cryptocurrency. Dirk has made cryptocurrency trading and investing easy to understand, so you can get better results and make more profits right away. There's a free masterclass only for action takers. If you are an action taker, click the first link below the video. Again, we agree with what Andrew Tate said so far. But from the video, it's not clear if he was implying if this is the absolute bottom. But the good thing is that when it comes to long-term investing, there is no need to time the absolute bottom that is for traders. But for long-term investors, the most important thing is being within bottom range. And if someone buys Bitcoin or Ethereum today, it is very possible it can drop another 20-30% or more. There's no guarantee we are at the bottom. But again, for the long run, it's most important just to be within bottom range, because if you, for example, believe that Bitcoin will reach all-time highs or $100,000 in the future, the difference between buying it today at around $17,000 or $20,000 or $15,000 won't make that much of a difference. The big mistake that many people make is they're always trying to time the absolute bottom, and they never really get it. And in the end, they don't invest into anything at all. And another very important point in that clip that Andrew Tate didn't go into detail with is how to invest. Because there are two main types of investing: lump sum investing, buying a lot at one point, or dollar cost averaging, buying a smaller amount over a long period of time. And generally, dollar cost averaging is a safer long-term investing strategy that carries less risk. Doesn't mean that it's risk-free, because if you dollar cost average into an asset that ultimately goes to zero, well, in the end, that's a bad investment. So for many digital capitalists, when it comes to crypto, I dollar cost average. Instead of buying a lump sum at one, we spread it out over a longer period. And Andrew Tate specifically mentioned Bitcoin and Ethereum. Are these cryptocurrencies going to be the best performers in the next bull market? Probably not. There will likely be altcoins that do a lot better, but these two cryptocurrencies had one of the highest probabilities within the crypto space of making it to the next bull run market. To keep it simple, the probability of these two assets being worth more in the next bull market than they are today is high relative to other cryptocurrencies in the space. These are two of the oldest cryptocurrencies, and every cycle so far, these cryptocurrencies have broken their previous all-time highs. Now when it comes to these two cryptocurrencies, they're some of our favorites, but there is a chance that they go to zero, although we think the probability is low. For us personally, the only way we see these crypto assets going to zero is if the entire crypto industry fails. Crypto, blockchain, NFTs, everyone forgets about it, but we don't really see that happening anytime soon. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, for us personally, are our safe plays. But for you, it might be something. So at the surface level, this all sounds good. Make money, buy assets in a recession, and wait a few years. But it's easier for someone like Andrew Tate to say this because he's always making money. He has a lot of money, so for him, buying assets is a no-brainer. But what about for you? What about for us? Is it that simple to just make more money and buy assets? Of course not, but Andrew Tate never said it was going to be easy. This is what he had to say.
The people who are not panicking to make money now to buy crypto that it's tanked don't understand the world, because those people were panicking to buy it when it was already at the top. That's when they really wanted to get more Bitcoin. Now it's down, they don't want to get it anymore. That is a big mistake. Now is your chance, ladies and gentlemen. I just said this inside the real world yesterday. I said to all the students, you are making money at the most important time because the entire world is on sale. You need to make money now in the hard times. This is how you build your chance to truly get enough velocity to escape the matrix. But the reason people don't like trying to make money in the hard times is because it's harder. There's less money around, recession is coming, inflation's here, people are holding on to their money, the whole economy is getting tighter, they're saying that property is going to tank, stocks are going to tank. We discuss all of this in the real world. We tell you exactly how it can benefit you. We tell you exactly how you should invest and how you can set yourselves up for the future. Now is the time to make as much money as possible. You do not have time to waste. If you make money now inside the real world and invest correctly, any one of you can be retired from ever working a matrix job in 3 years from now, guaranteed. You must escape the work, consume, die cycle. You must escape the matrix we are trying to show you now.
So yeah, it's not super simple to make money during a recession, but if you are able to crack the code, this is what will separate you from 99% of people in this world in a few years from now. During a bear market, the main focus is on income, not investments. It's very difficult to make good investments during a bear market. There is a higher probability of making income. This is something that you can control. So right now the goal is to focus on income, crack the code, and then according to Andrew Tate, invest that into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Nothing too crazy and then waiting it out. But there is something Andrew missed. If someone does everything correctly, they make money. They invest in the right assets. If they don't secure their crypto, they can lose it all. There are people over the last few years that did everything right. They made a lot of money, but they kept their assets on third parties that went bankrupt. So it is very important, along with these steps from Andrew Tate, to store your crypto the right way with self-custodies. If investing in the crypto market is your chance to escape the matrix, why not learn it the correct way? Now at this point, if you're ready to start your journey in crypto investments, you have two options. Option number one is to learn through trial and error, guessing what will work and what won't work, probably losing lots of money in the process. Or option number two is getting help and guidance along the way from someone who's already done this process and helped tons of other people as well, who has helped people successfully get 30 times their investment back. Our friend Dirk De Bruin, founder of Intelligent Cryptocurrency, has made cryptocurrency trading and investing easy to understand, so you can get better results and make more profits right away. There's a free masterclass only for action takers. If you are an action taker, click the first link below the video.